Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today I have partnered up with Kiehl's to share more about their Retinol Microdose Serum. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me share this more over there over the last couple of months. I wanted to follow up with you guys. I've been using this since I think it's like mid-July or so. This was actually in my July favorites video. And now that I've been using it for a good, solid almost 2 months now, I wanted to come back and share with you my experience, kind of share with you how I incorporate this into my skincare routine. I think we probably all know by now that retinol is one of those like holy grail anti-aging ingredients. If you have a skincare routine that you're really focused on anti-aging, retinol is one of those those ingredients, right? Vitamin C, retinol, I feel like they're both right up there. But retinol can also be an irritating ingredient to some with sensitive skin. It can be a bit drying. It can be one of those ingredients or one of those products that you need to incorporate into your routine, slowly or, alternate days because it can dry the skin out, irritate the skin, cause redness. And what's beautiful about this particular formula is it's a microdose formula, which means that it still has that highly potent retinol ingredient to it that gives us all those benefits that we're looking for, but in a microdose, of it. So your skin is not going to have that reaction. If you tend to have that reaction from retinol, your skin is not going to have that reaction to it. Now, they say that you can use this morning or night, but not both. You want to use it once a day. I like to use this in the evening. So what I will do is I will wash my face, and I have a few different cleansers that I rotate between, but typically I like to either use like a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, especially when I feel like I have a lot of makeup on or my skin is really dry. I will use something like that, or I will use a very gentle gel cleanser. One of my favorites, I have a couple of them I have about two that I use, but one of my favorites is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. This is super gentle. It's not stripping to the skin. When I have a lot of makeup on, this will be my step 2 in a double cleanse. So I will use an oil or a cleansing balm, and then I will use something like this afterwards as just that extra added cleanser. So after I've cleansed my skin, if I'm gonna use a toner that night, I will go in with a toner, one that I use, especially when my skin is drier or I don't really have sensitive skin, to be honest. My issue that I run into is dryness, which can actually make my skin feel sensitive because it'll be more irritated if if my skin is really dry. But I love the Daily Refining Milk Peel Toner. This is a really hydrating toner, and you can feel it immediately after applying it. I used it this morning, and after I used it, I had forgotten that I hadn't put moisturizer on. Like a few minutes went by and I was like, did I put moisturizer on? I couldn't remember. And I touched my skin and it felt like I had, but I didn't. It's a very, very hydrating toner. This is actually my second bottle of this. I partnered up with Kiehl's earlier this year to kind of share and introduce this product, and I've been loving it ever since. My second bottle, so good. And I was not really a toner girl before. I feel like my skincare routine is always evolving, but a toner is definitely a newer product that I've incorporated in my routine. And this one's really, really great. Very hydrating. That was what I would say is really special. That's product that's super, super hydrating. So the days that I wash and I do a toner, and then after that is when I apply the Retinol Microdose Serum. This will go on right after that. I'll let it sit for a couple of minutes and then I'll go on with my moisturizer, my night cream. Like I said, I'm typically using this at night. I don't actually ever use this in the morning. It's always at night for me. And then I'll apply my rich, emollient creamer. I love the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I've been out of it for, I don't know, a few weeks. I keep meaning to pick it up, but I haven't. But I like a cream that's in a jar that's really rich. I want to show you guys the texture of this product. This is what it looks like. It's a serum, but it actually looks and has the texture of a lotion. When you rub it in, it's super lightweight on the skin. So it feels very hydrating, but you definitely want to follow up with your moisturizer after it. If you're using this at night, and if you're using this in the morning, definitely your moisturizer and your SPF. I love this. When I'm using a retinol product regularly and daily, I find that I can kind of control the appearance of pores and texture. I mean, let's be real. My pores on my face, there's not a single product that is going to make them go away. Period. There's not. But when I'm using products that help minimize the appearance of it, and I'm using them regularly and daily, they do make a difference. They definitely do make a difference. And I feel like retinol, I also feel like vitamin C is a great ingredient that I use that will help with brightness of my skin. So I wanted to share this because if you are someone, like I said, that has struggled using retinol in the past, give this product a try, because I think that you will find, especially if you've struggled because of, the irritations that you can have from retinol. If that's why you struggle using it, give this product to try because I think that you will really find this is a great way to get retinol into your skincare routine without all of those side effects. It also has ceramides in it, which I didn't realize this, but ceramides actually help fortify the skin to build a tolerance to retinol. So that's really nice. It'll actually over time help your skin tolerate retinol better. It also has peptide in it, which helps strengthen the skin barrier. So it's a great, like I said, it's just a great product for dry or sensitive skin if you want to incorporate retinol into your skincare routine. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you are a fan of Kiehl's or you have a few of their products in some of your favorites, let us know what those are down below. Let us know what they are and why you love it and what type of skin you have. I will list mine in the description box just to kind of name them off the top of my head. The Milk Peel Toner I love, the Ultra Facial Cleanser I love. I also love the Ultra Facial Moisturizer, and I love the Retinol Microdose Serum. Those are probably am I forgetting anything? I don't think I'm forgetting. Those are probably my favorite, most used and repurchased products from Kiehl's. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Kiehl's, for partnering with me on this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.